Right now, we're seeing a significant divergence in sentiment for hardware, clocking in at plus 0.85, while momentum is dipping at minus 0.36. This suggests that while sentiment is optimistic, the overall market activity is slowing down, a rare combination that could indicate a turning point or a potential correction. With our API, you can access nuanced sentiment analysis that includes 20 semantic clusters, providing you with deep insights into the underlying sentiments driving the hardware space. Imagine integrating this data into your trading algorithm to capitalize on the optimistic sentiment despite the momentum decline. This could help you identify opportunities before others catch on. Ready to dive deeper? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.